Okay, welcome guys. So now we are going to know how to start a design. Starting a design for the designer is the most hard task actually, and also for the web developer or the application designer. So now we will check how to start or what do you design first. After collecting information from the customer, of course, it will be very frustrating for me that from where I will start. Especially if the customer is, for example, somehow made a very complicated requirements, and of course he doesn't have the knowledge about the web application or the mobile application. So he doesn't know the standards. So he can imagine a thing, and I want to scope this thinking to a paper or to a drawing. For example, where should be the top navigation or the sidebar? The application has them or no? And also, does the navigation items should be on the right or on the left of the screen? And also, is the application has a full width or, for example, a container? And also, where is the logo? Where I have to put the logo? If you are asking these questions for yourself when you design the application, then you are doing a mistake. Because look, I said design the application. So I am not thinking about small things. I am thinking about the whole application, which it will make for me a big distraction for my brain. But why I cannot make it simpler? So for example, I can say the application actually is a collection of features. So before you have designed a few features, you don't have even the information you need to make a decision about how the navigation should work. No wonder it's frustrating. So I would advise you to divide your application to features and make these features, for example, as small services provided by the application. Let's have an example. You have a traveling agency and they ask you to create for them a website for booking the flights and the feature of the flights and, for example, many features of big destinations and offers. So you see, I mentioned many features. So let's have, for example, the first feature like reservation. So we can have something like a flight booking, and the flight booking, the customer or the user will have a field to put what is the departure airport, what is the destination airport, and also date of the flight when he want to travel. And also I need a date of return and back also to submit the information like a button. So after that, you will come out with this mockup, because we can call it a mockup. A mockup is something like you design with hand without any color and with a flat two colors. For example, we can have it like based on the feature requirements without any fancy colors or fancy designs. Just two colors, dark gray and normal gray. And you have the white for the background. Okay, now you come as a designer and you will say, okay, I have search flight, I have this form, let's make it fancy. So when you come here, you will get this design, because when you are a designer, you will think about adding icons, you will know what is the most user experience you will have and how to build the design. Of course, we will learn all of the details in this course. You will know how to hire the right icons, and also you will know how to hire the right text sizes, and also the colors. So you see now you have one feature. So you are already made a design of one feature of your application. So you can go then to other features. Now it's made simpler. You can then combine all of these features together to build the application. And then you will have a successful design. So that's it. As I told you before, design a feature. Do not design the whole application.